What's up everybody, this is Andrew from 4Runner Customs bringing you another Toyota how-to video. Before we get into it, if you want to check out some Toyota content that's actually entertaining, be sure to look up my main channel, 4Runner Customs, or if you want to see some custom built and designed mods for these vehicles, check out 4runnercustoms.com. Now let's get into the video. What's up everybody, today we're back with my 2006 4Runner and I'm going to be telling you what to do about your 4th generation 4Runner not wanting to shift out of park. So if we go inside this 4Runner, let's take a look at what is happening to the vehicle. So we've got our key here, we put it right here, crank it on up, all right, just like normal. And then of course, foot on the brake, and for some reason, it does not want to come out of park. Now, this is a pretty frustrating thing to happen. And see, now even these lights popped up. So sometimes these lights do pop up, sometimes they don't pop up. But of course, the number one thing, it's not coming out of park. So the reason for this is most likely a brake issue. So having a car that does not go into drive or reverse is extremely inconvenient. Now, like I said, it's probably the brake lights, and you might have even noticed your brake lights are out. Now, here's the deal. I do not recommend driving anywhere at all without brake lights. But look, sometimes you're just gonna have to move your car. And so to do that, if you need to move your car, all you have to do is press down on this little thing with like your pinky, and that will allow it to go into gear. Now, of course, do not drive unsafely, but if you need to move your car, this is how. Now, there are two main things that cause a brake issue. The first being the brake light switch right here. This is probably the main thing that will cause this issue, is that little switch just going bad. Now I have a video on exactly how to replace that little switch. It's not all too expensive, but that is probably the main thing that is wrong with it if you have not been doing any electrical work on your vehicle. Now in this case, of course, still not going out of park, well, I happen to know that this brake stoplight switch under here, it's good, it's fine. Nothing is wrong with it. I know that for a fact, I tested it. So then we move on to under the hood, which is where the problem lies now. So we come under here, we pop this fuse box. We find the stoplight fuse. So we're looking for the stoplight fuse, and it's right here. We pull the stoplight fuse, and we happen to see it's burnt out. So let's go ahead and turn this car off, and then we will replace the fuse. So car's off. Now we have our new fuse right here. We put it, the stoplight fuse, 10 amp. There's the old one. That's where it went. So now, as you can see, we come back into the car. We crank it up. And I'm not gonna go far because the hood is open, but as you can see, we are now out of this stuck mode. So there you go. Those are the two main things that are the reason why your car will not shift out of park. Now, there is the off chance that it is not brake related, and for that, I would say good luck. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.